Hello everyone, welcome to virtual reality adventure. Today we have got a very big box to unbox. It is a valve index. It's just reached us a few days ago. Yes, it's very late from where we are. Things like these come very late, so let's start unboxing this monster of a box. Okay, you see, very huge box. The table or the frame of the video might not get all of it, so please bear with us. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to enjoy such contents in the future, and support us via like and sharing. Let's start the unboxing process. There are some heavy duty ropes around this box as it came over courier, and it got some meshing to it. It has a cardboard box to protect it. Let's start the unboxing from here. Let's see if I don't damage the inner box. So I took out the outer box. It was very hard to remove. So let's start on the plastic wrapper removing. On the index box itself, it's much larger than the HTC Vive box. So this is why we had to move away from our camera setup to this one. Okay. Very big and very heavy. So this is the box that we are waiting for a long time for this to arrive here. You have headset or controllers and base stations, all of them together in this box. So this is the complete package. You could buy all the components separately, but we opted for this one. And this box, I think it's okay. Check it. They might have opened it in the import. The importers might have did this. Okay, let's just take it out. This is the valve index, everyone. Wow, that's very impressive looking, and we have been waiting for it, so it feels very nice to look at it finally. So this is the all the compartments. The main equipments are here on the top of the box. As you can see, there is more equipments below, like the power adapters or cables and other things. So let's start taking out the components one by one. Let's put the scissors away. Let's push it aside. Let's take out the base stations first. So this is the base station version 2. Previously we have unboxed HTC Vive, so it had this version 1. It doesn't require that much connectivity. It only needs a power and USB to update or other kind of connectivity. So we need to remove it when we set up. So we are going to set it up later in further future videos. So please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment to support us. Let's continue the unboxing. There are two base stations are out. Now the controllers. Wow, the first time holding the controllers, it feels incredible. Really incredible. We have seen a lot of videos on YouTube, thought about it, but when looking at it and holding it for real, it feels great. The trigger button clicks at the last point. As you can see, the joystick button, it also clicks. It has a small touchpad area. It doesn't click. It has some button on this. This is a button 1, 2 and 3, some LED indicators that it is on or off. Also it has a chamber, okay, that's not a chamber, that's the sensors are placed in here, so it can track your movements like these from proximity, or that kind of sensors, how close or far your hands or fingers are. It has full finger tracking, and this is the place where the sensors are placed for the base stations to track. Okay, and much more. If you want to release the protective cover, you have to click on this button here and it loosens up, and you can easily remove your hand. You have to put it inside like this, straight like this, and hold the controller like a gun, and then pull this thing out, and your adjustment is done. You have fully functional hand tracking based controller on your hand, and it's really comfortable, and you can keep it like this as long as you want. So that's the first right hand index controller. Let's put that below. And next we have the left hand controller, same kind of controller. You can adjust it like this. There is a lot of functionalities built into these controllers, like you can adjust this knob as it is in number 2. As you can see here, it's also in number 2. If you have a larger hand, like this portion is much higher, then you can just push it inside, and then you can move it around like this. You can push it to 4 if you had like very big hands, but we think 2, the default one, is much better for us. We'll have to test it more later to decide. For now, let's just put them aside. So now we are going to take out this box. Okay, it's actually, okay, it has some velcro stuck to it. Okay, oh no, we just take out these 2. Okay, it's not big problem, so we can put some stickers or just like that to fill up this. These are lightly tight, so let's take the box out. I don't know why they put this kind of velcros below this box, but whatsoever, we have already crashed the box in some way, as it was like this. Oh sorry, it's like this. So let's continue the ball unboxing. And if you look at the top box here, you can see there are many types of manuals inside. We're going to look at it, so let's look inside. First one is the setup guide. Very long setup guide, like a spring of things. Yeah. Install SteamVR, prepare your play area, attach your base stations, plug and place the base stations, connect your headset, turn on your controllers, enjoy VR. Yeah, like lots of stuff there. So let's put that aside for now. What's more, the presentation is just great. As you can see, the color here, very beautiful colors. Now it's like greenish color is coming out. Now this is the, that's from different language, so we do not have to read all of them. This is for a different language. This is the English language. More language, I think, they are inside. This is another language, very different colors. Now next one, we have many. 1, 2, 3. Wow, there are so many. Now this one is safety, maintenance and regulatory and warranty agreement guide. As you can see, who reads these guides? But now this is a cloth for cleaning your lenses and all other parts if you wish. So that's was there inside this box. So we only need the first one if we ever use it. That's this one, the English one, and the cloth. so we don't need much of these. So let's put these away for now. Okay. So let's just put it away. Now take out the headset itself, and we may bring this box back again, but for now we'll be looking closely at the headset itself. Oh wow, that is a heavy headset, but very interesting one. So there's nothing in the first topper compartment of the box, so let's put this box away. The box is gone, right? Now this one is the headset. As you can see, this is the cable, and it has the power that it needs to draw to run. So you need to put power to it. An adapter will be there, and these two will go inside your computer. One of them is the DP port or display port, so HDMI is not enough, as it supports 144 Hertz displays, and there is the USB type C type 3.0. and if we tuck it away for now, as you can see, the wow, the clothing is very premium and feels soft and kind of a cushy on your hands. As you can see, these are the lenses of index, and it has manual IPD controller. It has a button to turn it on and off, and if you can closely look at the pattern of the headset, you can see the sensors, some white circles on the surfaces. Those are the ones that are being tracked. Very futuristic looking, and of course the headphones. These are, I thought it might be a bit bigger, but these are okay, and they sound great, as I have researched on the internet and on YouTube. And this one is kind of halo like back panel. It's the same one that you can get in audio, not the same one, and same kind of one, the one that you can get in the HTC Vive audio deluxe strap. So you have the IPD adjustment here. As you can see, the lenses are going further away and coming further close, so you can adjust your according to your IPD. And these are some light blocks. I think this is going to be the best headset to play a Half-Life Alyx. There's some small okay, let's take it out. Okay, now what's more in this? Okay, there is another knob. In the same way, you have a knob here to adjust the back plate or back panel here, and in the same way you can adjust this one. This one moves the display further and closer to your face, and that way you can get to enjoy a very big FOV, like 110 degrees. Like if you can see, if I do this knob, you can see, if you can get it, the whole headset goes further closer. Okay, so that's it. That's for the headset itself. We will do a long video regarding the setup and usage and much more regarding the headset, so please stay tuned, subscribe our channel. Let's move to the other equipments of the box. Now the box is back, so let's take out this compartment. If you grab these two parts and simply gently pull, you can see it comes away. Okay, you will have to pull this whole thing away. It got some kind of protection, but it's ruined maybe. Okay, let's put that aside. There are way many equipments in here too. Let's see what are those. Two of them are wall mounts. if you want to mount it on your wall, okay, you will be needing these, this one and this one. For the two base stations here, you will have to drill holes on your wall and put screws and stuck them on your walls, and then you will be able to adjust the position of the gimbal like this in any way we want. But we will not be able to drill holes on the lab, so we will be using stands. We will show you these stands in our later videos and the setup videos, so stay tuned for those. For now, let's just put them aside. Now next we have the controller designed cables to power the controllers or charge them. So you have a USB Type-C and one side is a USB 2 port. So what you have to do is, there is this USB Type-C port in here. You will have to use adapters to charge these. Okay, let's put this in here and another one in here. Okay, now there are two special type of clips that you actually wrist protections for the controllers, so you can put them like these inside in some way. We will be setting them up later, so let's just put them aside because it's already a long video. The unboxing itself, we have been talking about it for a long time. Now this one is the cable for base station, I think. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, this is the cable for base station. Okay, let's look at the base station for a short time. Okay, one part will go inside here, and this one may be inside a type of adapter, a specialized proprietary adapter. We don't know yet because we are just unboxing and this is our first experience with it. We haven't seen there are hardly any detailed setups like these. We haven't come across them yet, so stay tuned for those. We will be covering them soon. So let's put that aside. In the same way, this might be for the second base station, the same cable. Now these may be the adapters. Let's look at it, one of them. Okay, the box are very sturdy. Okay, so yeah, what is this? So you can connect regional power as your requirement, because it has a 3-pin and 2-pin connector from here. And okay, now this is the point that we just saw in these cables. These are the base station power cables. These are some proprietary connectors. We haven't come across them, so I just taken aback by them. So let's put this aside. This is for the first base station and this may be for the second base station. So yeah, these are for base stations, and this one, the one that is left inside here, is for the headset itself, as the headset requires a power. As you can see here you have to provide a power. So this adapter, the last adapter that is there, is for the headset power itself, I think. As you can see, the headset is symbolized here. Yes, this is the power and the cable, and same way the regional plugs. And okay, it has even a, oh okay, it has a already built connector, so you don't need to connect it that, because in base stations there may be the power may be closer or farther, so that's why they did it, I think. So let's put that aside. And what more we have is just this pushing. Wow, this is very soft and kind of rubbery, not foam. It's kind of rubbery and very, very soft. This is to provide more protection in the back side of the headset. If you can see here, if you just put it aside, you can place these foam padding inside the back of your headset like these, as you have seen in many other videos on YouTube. So then you will be able to have some extra padding in the back of your head, and also if you have smaller head, it will be accommodated for you. So that's it. All the components were unboxed. Okay, another thing is that we didn't look at is the headset itself in the front side of it. There are two cameras now rather than one, so it can provide you stereoscopic feedback of the real world, as Valve does here. So you can take this part out, and you can look at the frank. As you can see here, you can have a small like this, and you can have access to this modding space here. You can plug USB like different kinds of fan or leap motion or other kind of devices for the hacking community, and it is held up by some magnets. This panel is held up by magnets, these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on these. So you can take out these plastic protections or sticky ones, and now we can take it out like this or place it like this. It clips in, and in the same way we have the front specific cushion. You can take it out like this. It's held up by magnets, very easy to remove and very easy to put back. There you go. So thank you very much for being with me this long. If you have, congratulations, and thank you for supporting the channel, and we will see you in our future videos where we will be covering, reviewing, setting these up, many of these devices from the lab, and helping them get it started as we get it started too. So thank you very much. Have a great day.